Today's lesson is understand factors, and what we will do today, we will solve questions like question here, like question number 7. In question number 7, use the grid to find all the possible arrays for each number, for the 9 here, and use the arrays to help write the factors. You don't hear me? Okay, so my heroes, we will use this grid and we will draw arrays representing 9, and after that we will write the factors of 9. Okay, let's move back to page. My heroes, tell me the number of the page.
370.
270.
Yes.
370. 300.
No, not 300. 370. Okay, my heroes. Now I will play a video. I want you to focus with the video. Okay.
How can you use arrays to find the factors of a number? Think about this question during the lesson. The music director is trying to find the best way to arrange the chairs for a performance. The chairs must be arranged in a rectangular array. Use grids to show all the ways the chairs can be arranged. The problem states that the chairs must be arranged in a rectangular array. This means that there must be the same number of chairs in each row.
Okay, my heroes, let's try this. Okay, everyone focus. And okay. Okay, my heroes, the question asks us how can you make a rectangular array with 12 chairs? And the question asks us to drag 12 squares into the grid to form an array. And it asks us how many different arrays can we make. Okay, no, not this one. I will move down so we can see better. I will make it a little bit larger. Okay. Let's start, and I want one of my heroes to help me. So I will pick one of my heroes, Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Abdurrahman, I want to put 12 squares from this square. Okay? Okay, I will start first with one row. If I use one row, how many squares should I put?
12.
12. So if I use one row, I should put 12 squares. Use 12 columns. Okay. So how many do we have now?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So these are 12 squares, and as you can see, my heroes, the array here is one one row and 12 columns. So we can call it, okay, I'll make it red. 1 times 12. Okay, how else can I do this, Abdurrahman? I want 12.
1 times 12, 12.
12 times 1, so I can put them under each other to make 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will write this, but I will not do it. Okay, you know, my heroes, how to do it. 12 times 1. How to do it? I will put the 12 under each other. Okay? Okay, how else can I do this? Okay, 12
I
times
can.
1. Yes. Can we use 2 rows?
Yes.
Okay, if I use 2 rows, I will use here 2 rows. So how many columns should I use?
6 in the first column and 6 in the other column.
6 columns, yes. 6 in the first row and 6 in the second row. Yes. So now I have in each row 4. Now I have in each row 5. And now we have 6 in each row. So this is 2 times what? 2 rows and how many columns?
2.
Oh, 6 columns.
6. Sorry.
Because this is 2 times 6. Okay, can we do it 6 times 2?
Yeah.
Okay, in this case we will use 2 columns, 2 columns, yes, and how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4,
2.
5, 6. We will use 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 times 2. Okay, can we do it any other way? Can we use 3?
No.
Can we use 3?
No. Yes.
Oh, okay. If we use 3 rows, how many should we put in each row?
4.
Excellent. Because 3
12
times.
divided 4 equal 3.
Great.
And 12 divided 3 equal 4.
So we can make it. Okay, these are 3 rows now and 3 columns. I will make another column to make it 4 columns. Okay, so now we have 12 and it's here 3 times 4. Can we do it also 4 times 3?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have any way else other than these ways?
Yes.
How can we use 5?
Just a minute.
Can you find a number multiplied by 5 equals 12?
No.
No, of course. So these are all the possible ways. And thank you, Abdurrahman. Now we will continue the video.
Pairs of numbers multiplied together to find a product are called factors. How is a rectangular array of 12 chairs related to factors of 12? In a rectangular array of 12 chairs,
Thank you, Abdurrahman. Mute your mic.
Sorry.
the number of rows and the number of chairs in each row are factors of 12. You can make one row of 12 chairs, or 12 rows of one chair. Is it always possible to make arrays with one row? Is it always possible to make arrays with one item in each row?
Ala? Do you think it's
Yes,
always
I'm Alaa.
possible? Do you think it's always possible to make arrays with one item in each row? And it's always possible to make array with one row? You can do one row, whatever the number I give you. If I give you 7 chairs, you can make them in one row?
I think no.
No, why? I can make them in one row, and I will put the 7 chairs all in one row. Right?
Yes.
So
We'll make one row.
we can make one row, and we can make one item in each row, so one column. Thank you, Ala.
Yes. No matter how many items there are, you can always put all of them in one row, or put one item in each row.
So we can put them all in one row, or we can put one item, or we can make it in one column to make one in each row.
You can also make 2 rows of 6 chairs, or 6 rows of 2 chairs. Is it always possible to make arrays with 2 rows, or arrays with 2 items in each row? No, it is not always possible. For example, if you had 5 chairs, you would have 1 chair left over if you made an array with 2 rows. You can make 3 rows of 4 chairs or 4 rows of 3 chairs. Is it possible to make an array with 5 rows using 12 chairs?
على الشخص.
Yes, mister.
Yes, my hero. Do you think we can use five rows?
No,
Why?
because we have 4.
Because if we try in the table of 5, we will not find a number multiplied by 5 equals 12.
Equals 12.
Yes. Or we can say it simply that you cannot make 5 rows, because if you try to make 5 rows, you will need more items, or you will lose some items. You will not be able to divide the 12 into 5 rows. Yes, thank you, my hero.
We cannot divide.
Excellent.
No. 5 rows leaves 2 chairs outside of the array, and 5 rows of 3 is too many chairs.
So 5 is not a factor of 12.
So there are 6 possible ways the 12 chairs can be arranged. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
Okay,
Now you know how to use arrays to find the factors of a number.
Okay, my heroes, before we move back to the book, we need to focus with this part, that what are the factors of 12? 1 and 12, because we can make it one row of 12 columns of 12 items in the row. And of course, it's the same 12 by 1. So 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. These are the factors of 12. Okay, now my heroes, we will move back to the book. And to the next page. And I will ask a question before we start solving. The question is, what are the factors of 12? I will choose one of my heroes to help me. Jed. Jed. مالك أسامة.
Yes, mister.
Okay, Malik, the factors of 12 according to the video. Can you tell me? Yes.
1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, and 12.
Wow, I like my heroes. Malik told me the factors arranged from the smallest to the biggest. So 1, 2, 3, 4,
4, 6, 12.
6, and 12. And why we choose these numbers, my heroes? Because 1 times 12 equals 12.
12 equals 12.
2 times
And
6
2 times 6 is equal to 12.
and 3
2
times
is
4
equal to 12.
equals to 12. So that's what we mean by factors. The numbers that if we multiply them, we will get the number 12. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. And now we will move to question number 3. In question number 3, use grids to find the possible arrays for each number. In this one, I will not use a grid. I will do it in another way. I will choose one of my heroes to help me without using grids. We will do this. Muhammad Sultan, Muhammad Ra'id. Muhammad Ra'id. Khalifa.
Yes.
Okay, Khalifa, we will do this another way. Okay, we will do it mentally.
Here.
Who's this?
Here.
Khalifa, right? Okay, if this is Muhammad, this is Muhammad.
Here. It's not me.
My hero, say your name.
I'm Muhammad. Right.
Okay, Muhammad, wait for the next question.
Yeah.
Now, Khalifa,
What?
what two numbers can you multiply to get 6? Start with 1.
2.
1 times what?
6.
Yes, and here we can use one row of 6 items, of 6 squares. And we can change places, so it will be 6 times
1.
1. Okay, can you use 2 rows?
3.
2 times 3, excellent. Okay, can you change places? Yes, of course,
Yes.
it will be 3 rows of 2 squares. So the factors are 1, 6, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Thank you. Can you do any more? Can you do anything else?
No.
Of course, no. So these are all the factors of 6. Thank you, my hero. And Muhammad,
Here.
go ahead,
Yeah.
16. And of course, start with 1 row.
1 multiply 16 equals 16.
Okay, and you can use them in how many rows? 16 rows.
16 multiply 1.
Good. Okay, what else can you do?
8 multiply 2.
Excellent. So 2 times 8 or 8 times 2. So we can do 2 rows of 8 columns or 8 rows of 2 columns. Okay, my hero, can you do any more?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
No, there's no more.
Okay, can you use 3?
There's no more. No.
Can you use 4?
Yes.
Okay.
4 multiply 4.
Yes. And this time we cannot change places because it's the same number. Okay, thank you, my hero. My heroes finish writing quickly because I need to change this. I need to move down.
Mister, there's many people right in the chat.
Okay, my heroes do not use the chat. I don't like to give notes to my heroes. You have 30 seconds to finish writing.
Teacher,
Yes?
I will send it in the chat.
You did what?
I will send the answer, this answer in the chat.
Okay, mate. Okay, my heroes, now I will move down. And I will erase this. And now it's time to solve question number 7. The question asks us to use this grid to find all possible arrays for the number 9. And we will use these arrays to write the factors of 9. Okay, I will choose one of my heroes to help me. Ibrahim Jughayman.
Teacher, do you say my name? No, Mr. Ibrahim Jughayman.
Okay, Ibrahim.
Yes.
We will start first with
Let's start.
yes, my hero. 1 times what?
1 minute. The sound.
To get 9. So 1 row of how many columns, how many items?
Sir, can you say again, because the sound.
Okay, if I use 1 row, how many squares should I use in this row?
1 minute. Mister.
Of course,
Mister.
we should use 9.
No.
Okay, everyone else, please mute your mics.
I am my mic.
My hero, mute your mic. So 1 times 9. These are 9, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What else can we do? Of course, you can change places.
Yeah.
So it will be
9
yes,
multiply 1.
9 multiplied
9
by
multiply
1.
1.
Okay, let's do this. I will do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now these are 9. Count my hero. Yes, these are 9. So I will finish it. Okay, so we can do it 9 by 1. Can we do anything else? Can we use 2? Can we use 3?
Yes.
Yes, what? What can we multiply to get 9?
What can we multiply to get 9? Can you say it again?
You said it. You want me to say the same again? You heard it.
How many I must multiply to get 9? Can you multiply 3?
Yes. So I will make 3. 1, 2, 3. Multiplied by 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 multiplied by 3. Thank you, my hero.
Yeah.
Okay, now the next part of the question What are the factors of 9? I will choose one of my heroes, Jad.
Yes.
What are the factors of 9? You should say the numbers that you can see without repeating. Okay, I will erase them, okay? Jad, I will erase them.
Okay.
Okay.
Mister,
Go ahead, my hero.
understand, I listen.
What are the numbers?
Mister,
Who's speaking?
9.
My hero, say
Mister?
your name.
me Muhammad Jamal.
Muhammad
I don't
Jamal, wait,
understand,
wait,
listen.
Muhammad, wait. Okay, Jad, wait, thank you. I will ask Muhammad a question. Muhammad,
Yes.
what numbers can you multiply to get 9?
Yes, mister. 3. 3 multiplied by 3.
Okay, this one. What else? 1 times 9. This one. What else? Muhammad,
What?
what else?
Yeah.
9 times 1. This one. Now you know why we draw the 3 arrays here. Right?
What? I don't understand. Your sound, because the sound was lagging before.
So, my hero, you should watch the video on Classera. This is a connection issue, and I cannot repeat it the whole session. Okay, Muhammad? Muhammad, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, you will watch the video on Classera.
1
And
minute, because your sound is lagging
again?
or something. 1 minute.
okay, Jet, tell me the numbers without repeating.
I give you the number, that's
Yes.
9.
Yes. The number that we used to get 9.
1 multiply 9.
1 and 9. Great. What else?
9 and 1.
Oh, this is repeating. Do not repeat.
9.
Do not
9
repeat.
and 1.
Do not repeat.
Okay.
You said 1 before and you said 9 before. Do not repeat. What else? What numbers do we use here?
3 multiply 3.
No, say it without repeating. Just 3, 1, 3. I told you, do not repeat.
Okay.
So, now my heroes, what are the factors of 9? 1, 9,
1, 9,
and 3. Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, we can solve this one, but I will not draw. I ask you to write the factors without drawing. Okay? My heroes, you have 30 seconds to write the factors of 14 without repeating.
You mean without saying 1 multiply 9 and 9 multiply?
Yes,
Mister,
just
I
if you
wrote them.
do not repeat the number. Write it only one time.
Mister, I wrote them.
Okay, my hero, you have 30 seconds. Do not use your mic.
Okay, teacher, I will say something.
Okay?
إذا عكسناها نفس الجواب فما يصير نعكسها صح؟
My hero, without repeating. You are saying the same thing. Without repeating. My heroes, do not use your mics. Abdurrahman, if you use your mic again, you will get a note. Okay, let's go ahead. Muhammad Al-Humaydan.
Yes, here.
Okay, tell me what are the factors that you have? Of course, 1, right?
Yes.
And of course 14, right?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
What else give me 14?
Yes.
7 multiply 2.
Okay, so 2 and 7. Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any more? No, that's all. So, my heroes, it's 1 times 14 or 14 times 1. So, do not repeat, write them only one time. 2 times 7 or 7 times 1. Do not repeat, write it only one time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, my heroes, now I will send to you the link to make sure that you
Mister,
can
I
solve
close
these
my mic.
questions. So, Abdullah, which of the following have 2 as a factor?
8.
8. Excellent, because 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. Okay, the next question. Abdulaziz Khalid.
What, mister?
Is 4 a factor of 12?
Yes.
Yes, because 4 times what equals 12? Yes.
3.
Yes, 4 times 3 equals 12. Thank you. And as you can see, my heroes, the missing factor is 2. So you should use the keyboard and write 2. Okay, and the last question, is 3 a factor of 21? Muhammad Jamal?
Yes.
Yes, because
Multiply by 7.
excellent, because 3 times 7 equals 21. Okay, that's all my heroes for today. Do you have any questions? Okay, thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow. Yes.
Bye.
Any questions? Okay, my heroes. Goodbye.